Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Drishti and today I am going to show you how to do a quick and easy glam makeup look which will be perfect for any fancy occasion. Firstly, I am using a primer on my face and spreading it evenly. Now I'm mixing my foundation with an illuminator as this is going to give my skin a subtle shine. I'm dotting this on my face and blending it. After that, I'm applying a concealer which is lighter than my foundation on the areas where I need more coverage. Then I'm setting my face with a translucent powder. Now I'm filling my brows to give them definition. I'm priming my eyelids using a concealer and then setting it. Now I'm applying a light brown color as my transition shade and blending it properly. After that, I am applying a dark brown shade on the outer corners of my eyes to give them depth. Then, I am applying a golden shimmery shade on the mid and inner part of the eyelid to make my eyes look wide and awake. I am applying a black color as an eyeliner on my lids and then smudging it on the waterline. Then I'm also applying a dark brown shade below the black shade on the lower lash line. After that, I'm applying a bronzer on my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and nose for a chiseled look. Then I'm applying a peachy color on my cheeks and blending it with the bronzer. Now I'm applying a highlighter on the high points of my face. Finally, I'm applying a dark red lipstick to tie the entire look together. I've also put on lashes. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel.